So, when Paul was here,
Yes,
what we saw
was there.
was the theater in the agora. What did we see that was in there in Paul's time?
When Paul was there, the library wasn't there, the facade wasn't there, but the arches next to the library, they were there. The agora was there, and the theater was there. So, the first row of the seats of the audience, I mean the cavea, is today higher than the orchestra, which was even in the Greek period, because Greeks, they were only into the theatrical performances held. But in the Roman period, you know, politicians always wanted to keep the public's minds busy with something else, just like today. But they did not have shows like Ephesians Survivor, Ephesians Idol, or Ephesians Got Talent. So they had to invent some bloody games instead, like gladiator fights and wild animal fights. And in order to protect the audience from the wild animals, they made those seats higher. Acoustics, still very good today. That's why we had some very cool live performances held there in time. John Baez, Sir Elton John, Sting, Julio Iglesias, Jose Carrera, Pavarotti, Yanni, Jethro Tull, Diana Ross, Ray Charles. I was the only one who did not sing, but I performed as I proposed my wife there. She is also a tour guide. 14 and a half years ago, she had no idea. She was guiding, and I was hiding under a vomitory. Remember the vomitories? I was there prepared with 2 long sticks in between a huge banner says, "Will you marry me?" And the vomitory did what it was supposed to do with me into the orchestra with the banner wide open in my hands, and there were people like you there, and they started giving a big applause. In 2 minutes, they managed to put too much pressure on my wife, so she had to say yes. So that's how I performed there.
That wasn't the plan.
So this was all about Ephesus, everybody. As I told you early this morning, after seeing something Greek and Roman in Turkey, now it is time to see something 100% real Turkish. We're going to see rugs, the famous Turkish rugs.